Hello, I'm Keith Hall, CEO of Cloudware Hosting, and I'm going to show you today in this brief video how easy it is to set up your vendor and product registrations here on Cloudware City. Let's begin by creating a user account. Please enter your first and last name. Then choose a username without spaces, using letters and numbers only. Enter your email address and choose a password. And type it again to confirm. For password recovery and other security procedures, please choose a security question and type your answer. Select your country from the drop-down list. Finally, enter the CAPTCHA, reloading the image if you can't make out the words, and click Register. An email will be sent to the address entered. Open your email and click the link to verify your account. Re-enter your password to confirm who you are and complete the registration. Now we're ready to do the vendor registration. Choose your membership type. Businesses and individuals have different system requirements and charges. If you choose business, enter the vendor name of your choice, confirm your authority and enter a VAT number if you have one. As the first user, you are by default the administrator of this vendor account. Next, you may want to upload a logo. You can always do this later, and a placeholder logo will be used instead. Let's choose something suitable here. We support the main three currencies, pounds sterling, US dollars and euros. This selection forms the currency in which we send your revenue payments. Choose carefully as it cannot be changed once listings are added. Finally, enter a brief description for the vendor listing. This can be edited later. Read and agree the terms and conditions and register as a new vendor. Now we're ready to add the product that customers will subscribe to. There are two types, Basic and Full. Basic is essentially just a free listing in the web app store, whereas Full allows a price and duration to be set and enables the Cloudware Authentication API for managed subscriptions handling. We'll choose Full here. Enter the product name as you wish it to appear in the store. Next, enter a URL to the website where your product is used and a link for support. These are conveniently provided to customers when they subscribe. Choose a price for the subscription. The currency is derived from your vendor account, however customers can choose to pay in their preferred currency and Cloudware City automatically handles any conversion. Then choose the duration of the subscription. Automatically recurring options are available. Let's choose an image for the product to be shown in the web app store. Next, enter a brief description of the product. The first few lines are the most important in making a good sales pitch. Finally, enter some keywords and tags to help categorizing and searching. Confirm the vendor terms and conditions once more and add your product. Once it is done, assuming everything is okay, you will see a successful notification. Approval checks are performed on listings before they are publicly available. Straightforward websites can typically be approved in a few minutes, unless further checks are required. So now we go to manage the listed products and we see it is awaiting approval. We'll now approve this in the background. We can now reload the page and we see it is approved. But before customers can see this in the web app store, we need to click the Show Listing button. By default, listings are hidden as you may need to set up your website to use the Authentication API first. Otherwise, customers may subscribe too soon and be unable to use it. We can now visit the web app store and see the new listing in place, along with usage, popularity statistics, reviews, and it is available to purchase by the well-known mechanism, adding to a cart and completing a simple checkout process. Customers are granted access to the product as soon as successful payment is taken. Thank you for watching and welcome to Cloudware City, the easy way to offer subscriptions to your website.